I love you 3 times a day.
One more time with feelings.
I love you 3 times a day. I love you 3 times a day.
Teka, huwag mo akong daluhin.
Ay! Very good, mother! Where are you?
Hi!
Hi. Are you going?
Yeah, pauwi na nga ako eh.
Can I show your way to your housing authority?
Thank you na lang, Webster. Kasi nandyan si Raymond eh. Niintay ako.
Don't mention it. You are welcome to the club.
Siya nga pala. Ito yung invitation sa kasal namin ni Raymond. Sana huwag ka mawawala.
You mean to say you marrying Raymond already? How about my...
Webster, I'm sorry. Alam mo naman na matagal na kaming engaged ni Raymond. Huwag ka sanang mawawala,
Yes.
I'll go ahead. Bye-bye.
Bakit? Nothing. I just have my heartbeat.
Sir, kalimutan mo na yung mga chicks na yan. Ang dami-daming babae dyan.
Yes. Plenty girls. But Grace is Grace. Nothing else. Understand?
Sir, what do you want to do now?
No!
Uy!
Grace!
Sir, tama na. Ano ba?
Relax lang kayo.
Uminaw naman kayo.
Marami pa namang iba dyan eh.
No, Grace! I need it, Grace!
Sir.
Daming nanonood, oh.
Sir, ang dami-daming estudyante, oh. Di ba kayo nahihiya?
Ang dami tao, oh.
Dami, oh.
Sir.
Grace! Farewell, Grace! Who are you? Rene Salud?
What Rene Salud are you talking about? I'm Rene Sagisar. Hi! No, I'm your fairy godmother. Just call me Venus, okay?
Venus? My fairy godmother? Fairy godmother? Why are you saving me?
Because you deserve to live happily ever after, okay?
How can I live happily ever after if the woman I love is already marrying?
Okay, if you want the chicks to lay eggs for you, you simply say, I love you 3 times a day.
Is that all I have to say?
Yes, you try it.
I love you 3 times a day.
One more time with feelings.
I love you 3 times a day. I love you 3 times a day.
Teka, huwag mo akong daluhin.
Ay! Very good, mother! Where are you?
Sige, maghanap ka ng kausap mo, pati ako tinatalo mo.
No! I want to be sure that... Is that all I want to say?
Sige na!
Very good, mother! Come back! Explain it so that the woman I love is in love with me!
Maghanap ka ng ninang mo! Hindi uli!
Very good, mother! Please help me! Very good, mother! Help me! I love you 3 times a day!